Yesterday, a vision. Today, it is Pro Friends. The company that started its operations in February 1999 continues to rise to become the dominant leader in property development. It has worked hard to turn its vision and dreams into a successful reality. That is why Pro Friends knows how to value yours. It is fully committed to work at its best to build every Filipino's dreams. Completing 17 projects in 15 years. Building successful communities, from affordable homes to mid-rise condominiums. Pro Friends builds them all. Having its own 25-hectare fabrication plant, using 8th generation construction and production technology that allows the company to build quality and value for money homes. From thousands of quality housing units in Cavite, it has expanded to building more communities. From Cavite to Iloilo in the Visayas, Pampanga in the north, Cagayan de Oro City in Mindanao, to the bustling cities of Metro Manila. Pro Friends has sold over 36,000 houses from completed and ongoing projects. And today, Pro Friends leaps forward, building bigger projects, from growing communities to growing a city. Starting with Pro Friends' flagship project, Lancaster New City in Cavite. Holding a total land area of over 1,400 hectares, spanning 3 municipalities in Cavite. It is a master planned township that offers the live, learn, work, play, worship lifestyle. Complete with conveniences of city living for its residents. An IT park, commercial establishments from restaurants, groceries, and more. Activity center. Integrated school offering quality Christian education. A clubhouse. A place of worship and linear parks. Going to other important destinations is also a breeze. It's just a 20-minute drive from the Mall of Asia. It is situated at a strategic location with a school system, fire protection system, security system, healthcare system, and transportation system. Truly, it is a place where families would love to have a home. Aside from Lancaster New City, Pro Friends has 9 ongoing estate, subdivision, and condominium projects covering almost 2,000 hectares in different parts of the country. Every development has access to necessities of the lifestyle our buyers choose. It builds communities where people would like to live in.